Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video you will see very beautiful and pretty rustic wood crafts. These are very easy to make. Please watch my full video till end. You will see amazing and very creative ideas. Rustic wood craft is a profound celebration of nature's artistry where the wood is allowed to speak through its inherent marks, scars, and textures. It is a craft that values authenticity over perfection, where every dent, crack, and irregularity is embraced as a testament to the wood's journey through time. This artistic approach resonates deeply with those who seek connection to simpler times, natural beauty, and handcrafted uniqueness. In rustic woodcraft, the wood itself is the primary storyteller. Unlike smooth, factory finished surfaces, rustic wood preserves the roughness and unevenness that nature imprints, showing signs of weather exposure, insect markings, or the natural course of aging. These elements transform a mere piece of timber into a vessel of memory and character. The craft is often interwoven with sustainability, emphasizing the reuse and reclamation of wood that might otherwise be discarded, thereby honoring both the material and the environment. Artisans devoted to rustic woodcraft possesses a patience and sensitivity that borders on reverence. Each plank or slab is carefully selected, studied, and shaped with tools that enhance rather than erase its natural personality. The crafting process is often slow and deliberate, involving hand sanding that follows the grain, chiseling that reveals hidden layers, and finishes that protect without masking the wood's soul. The beauty of rustic wood lies in its textural richness and tonal warmth. The surfaces may show rough horn facts alongside smoother patches, creating a dynamic tactile experience. Color variations range from deep sun-baked browns and reds, golden hues to silvery grays touched by time. Occasionally, remnants of bark or natural splits remain intact, adding to the authenticity and making each piece unmistakably unique. This craft invokes a sensory connection, not just visual but also tactile and even olfactory, with the subtle scent of wood, oils, earthiness, and the faint aroma of weathered forest. Rustic wood pieces often remind us of places untouched by modern haste, a quiet cabin in the woods, a worn farmhouse table, or an old garden bench weathered by sun and rain. Despite its apparent simplicity, rustic woodcraft drama demands a keen artistic eye. It is about balancing natural imperfection with functional design. It is about balancing natural imperfection with functional design. नीचे creating objects that feel grounded and timeless yet practical and inviting. The result is work that radiates warmth and humility,